हेलो, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम लोग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के सॉल्यूशन के लिए फार्मूला डिराइव करेंगे। एनी इक्वेशन विथ डिग्री 2 इज क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन एंड स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इज ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इक्वल टू 0, where a, b and c are the integers. Now, to make the first term square, we divide each term by a, so that first term become square. So now we write ax square upon a plus bx upon a plus c upon a equal to 0. This equation become x square plus b upon a of x plus c upon a equal to 0. To make the equation into square form, we now rearrange this equation like x square plus 2 into b upon 2a x. Here we have taken a factor 2 from b upon a, so we can take a factor of 2 because from this is the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. When this equation is set up in the form of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, then we can write that in the form of a plus b whole square. So to take out a factor of 2, this is very easy. We can take out a factor of 2 in any number, like if we are going to find out factor 2 in 5, then we can write 2 into 5 upon 2 by simply dividing by 2 and multiplying by 2. So that also we can write 11 by 2 into 2. We have taken factor of 2. So we can write this a square plus 2ab plus b square. To make this square, we add b upon 2a whole square, and same we subtract, so that the value of equation may not change. To make the equation, the value of equation may not change, we subtract b upon 2a whole square, and plus c upon a is already given, and the underlying portion, this is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. We can write this as x plus b upon 2a whole square, and the remaining part is transposed to the right side. Then we write b square upon 4a minus c upon a. And now we simplify this portion to get x plus b upon a 2a whole square equal to, we take LCM of 4a here, this is b square minus of 4ac upon 4a. Now this we can write as a square root to get the solution, and we write x upon x plus b upon 2a whole square equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a. Now we take the square root of both sides. We take the square root of both sides and we write x plus b upon 2a equal to plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. And now by transposing, when we take the square root of something like square root of 4, then we write this as plus minus of 2. In the square root we take plus minus of 2. So we can write x plus b upon 2a equal to plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now by transposing b upon 2a to the right side, we get the value of x equal to minus of b upon 2a plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. And by rearranging, by simplifying, we get x equal to minus of b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula to solve the quadratic equation where a, b, c are the integers and b square minus 4ac is the deciding factor whether roots exist, equal roots or no root exist. So b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the equation. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the equation, and this have three values. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then we call it the roots are real and distinct. And if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then we say that roots are equal. And if b square minus 4ac less than 0, then we say that no real root exists. So in this way we have derived the formula for the quadratic equation, and in next video we will learn to find out the method of completing square. Thanks for watching.